My name is Nyla for you guys who are just tuning in. Today I wanted to do a DIY gift box. I will be using a box to send to the mail, but you can do this with whatever you choose. You can do it with a basket, you can do it with a bucket, you can do it with a little flappy gift box, you can do it with whatever you want. But regardless of what you use to put the gifts in, you want to make sure that you choose things that the person the gift is going to will enjoy. So I'm doing gift boxes for two of my friends that just graduated from Penn State, and I wanted to make sure that I chose things that they would enjoy, that they would use, and that meant something to them. With everything going on, I wanted to do something special for them to make sure that they knew that they were celebrated and that I was proud of them. So I've got 2 pom-poms, I've got some stickers for some decoration, I've got tissue paper that I'm gonna line the boxes with, I've got some candy that they both like, I got 2 shot glasses, because you know, I got keychains, and I've got some t-shirts for the both of them. Just disregard that. I got some t-shirts for each of them, and then I got some decorative shred to go in and make it nice and gifty. And then I also got these 2 cards that I'm gonna write in and put in. So first I'm going to get myself situated. Then I'm going to take the boxes and line them both with some tissue paper. So I'm going to take some blue and I'm going to take some white, because you know, Penn State, blue and white. So I'm going to take some of both and kind of do it like that, like just get it in there. Excuse all the noise, but I want to get it in there and create like a base for all of the gifts to go in. And then once it's done, I'm going to like fold the tissue paper over to kind of cover it up, so it's like a surprise. Going to repeat for the second box. Now what I'm doing with the tissue paper, I'm kind of just crossing them in front and then throwing them over. Same thing you would do with like a gift bag. Sticking it in here. Making it look nice and pretty. I just don't want to cooperate. There we go. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Can't really tell. But I'm going to open some of this shred and put some in. Just throw a little bit in each box. Now if you do this with a basket, you'll need more shred and less tissue paper. You really won't need tissue paper for the basket, but you'll want to load up on the shred to give it a nice base. Alright. Just throw it all in there. So, now I gotta make sure these shirts go in the right basket because they're different. First t-shirt, put it in, like such. Rinse and repeat. Throw a little shred on top of it. There you go. Keychains are going down. Now I'm going to take these shot glasses and wrap them in paper and then wrap them again in bubble wrap just to really make sure they're secure. So I'm just shoving it in. Boom. Then taking some bubble wrap that I already had and putting it in. There was some tape left on that one. Taking it in, nice little corner, and do the same again. Roll, boom, and then next, I'm going to throw just a little bit more shred on top of it, just so there's kind of layers to the gift. Oh, it's looking real cute. Y'all can't see it yet, but it's cute. Y'all can see it. See? So next I'm gonna throw a pom-pom in each. And that's also gonna add kind of to the layer of the decorativeness of it. There you go. Now, candy. I got 2 of each of their favorite candies. Just because one is never enough, you know. And then, yeah, had to make sure they went in the right box. And then you want to fill it up with some more shred. Okay. You can't see it really, but that's what it looks like on the inside. So I've taken my 2 cards, I wrote a nice thoughtful message in them, stuck them in the envelope. So now I'm going to take these stickers, little pen stain stickers, and use it to seal the envelope. Like so. Cute. Do the same one for the next, if I can get it off. Oh. So, both sealed and ready to go in their respective boxes. Lastly, I'm just gonna throw the rest of the shred in there. Really wanna, you know, make it gifty. Super cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Boom. Done. So this is what it looks like. I'm trying to show you both at the same time. This is what they look like. Can't see inside. There you go. And then lastly, I was gonna use the sticker to like tape the tissue paper together, but I think I'm just gonna fold it into each other and let it rock like that. Yeah, that's better. And send them on their way. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Like I said, you guys can do this with anything. You can do it with a basket. I've done it with a basket before. I've done it with these little gift boxes that have like a magnetic flap. You can do it for birthdays, any kind of gift you want, graduation, just because gift, whatever. It's just something nice to do for someone else, and it doesn't have to be expensive. It just shows that you took your time out to think about someone else but yourself, and that you put thought and effort into the gift. And sometimes that's all that matters, and sometimes that's all people need. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it. If you guys do decide to try like a gift basket, let me know how it works out for you guys, and if you guys need any more tips or anything, let me know. See you guys next time.